Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer Avalanche from Trust Wallet to Crypto.com in 2025. If you're holding some AVAX in your Trust Wallet and want to move it over to Crypto.com for better rewards or easier management, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but as always with crypto, we'll emphasize safety first to keep your assets secure. Before we get started, make sure you have a few things ready. Your Trust Wallet app installed with some Avalanche, AVAX, in it, and a verified account on Crypto.com. Also, double-check that you're using the latest versions of both apps to avoid any compatibility issues. Got that? Great, let's jump in. First, open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to the Avalanche wallet. You'll see your AVAX balance there. Now, switch over to your Crypto.com app. Go to your wallet section, select Avalanche, and copy the deposit address. This is crucial. Never type it manually. Always copy and paste to prevent errors. Back in Trust Wallet, tap on the Send button for your AVAX. Paste the address you copied from Crypto.com into the recipient field. Next, enter the amount you want to transfer, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees. Crypto.com supports the Avalanche network, so select that as your network option to ensure a smooth transfer. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm and approve the transaction. You'll need to confirm it on your device, probably with a fingerprint or PIN for security. Now, sit tight. The transfer should take a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your transaction history in Trust Wallet to track its status. After a short wait, head back to Crypto.com and refresh your wallet. Your AVAX should appear. If it doesn't show up right away, don't panic. Just give it a bit more time and check the Blockchain Explorer for your transaction ID. A quick word of caution. Always verify addresses and amounts before sending. Crypto transactions are irreversible, so mistakes can be costly. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. There you have it, folks. You've successfully transferred your Avalanche from Trust Wallet to Crypto.com. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you in the next video.